you're experiencing crashing issues while trying to install League of Legends, follow these steps for a quick fix. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem efficiently. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for League of Legends. Visit the official website to verify the specifications needed for the game. Step 2. Update your operating system. Make sure your operating system is up to date. Check for any pending updates and install them, as outdated software can cause compatibility issues during installation. Step 3. Disable antivirus and firewall. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and firewall as they may interfere with the installation process. Remember to re-enable them after the installation is complete. Step 4. Run the installer as administrator. Right-click on the League of Legends installer and select Run as administrator. This can help bypass any permission issues that may be causing the installation to crash. Step 5. Clear temporary files. Delete any temporary files that may be causing conflict. You can do this by typing temp in the Run dialog windows +R and deleting the files in the folder that opens. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the crashing issue during the installation of League of Legends. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the support team for further assistance.